I had a really big sewing pattern sale last week and this week, and today I have 15 patterns that I have to ship. So I'm gonna start by looking at what I already have printed out. I have been trying to build a stockpile. The stockpile is looking a little bit struggly. So I guess I need to get to work. Let me show you all the ones I printed already. Okay, this is my lovely design jet. It does have a band to hold the patterns, but I purchased it from Marketplace and one of the structural pieces was missing. So for right now, they just kind of go. But I have a mermaid gown and a princess seam corset printed, which I guess that'll be an extra because I didn't realize I already had one printed. So yeah, let me get to work. Here is the crop corset pattern coming out. So far that's a few. And then it cuts it. That was not my printer. Something just fell off my desk. That's crazy. Okay. Uber on the way, my phone is charging. He keep calling. I wanna pick it up, but I keep stalling. I feel some type of way. It's late at night, and babe, I didn't get. So I got all the patterns on the table in front of me, and I thought I would just show you guys what people ordered. So first, Miss Shamika or Shamikia in Grifton, North Carolina has a corset crop top pattern. This one is a good like get your feet wet corset pattern. It's made for stretch fabric and it uses the plastic cotton covered boning. Next, she ordered the jumpsuit pattern set. So this has two versions of a jumpsuit on the cover, as you can see. This one I feel like is great for like either pajamas or just like a little like shorts type of thing to wear out. I was wearing this a lot the summer of like 2021, I think. And then you got a full length one with the pants attached. One has a waist seam, one has no waist seam. So that's this one. And then also we have the unitard bodysuit. This one is kind of similar to this one, but this one has straps, it's sleeveless. I made this little outfit. I got the fabric from Joanne. Rest in peace, Joanne. I made this to wear to a Megan Thee Stallion concert for my birthday years ago in Houston. And then we also have the basic bodycon dress, which is this one. The title is pretty self-explanatory. We have the halter cocktail dress. This one is kind of backless. It has a zipper in the back, like from on the skirt area, but the back just like wraps around. So it's a true halter top. It has a collar and everything. And then we have the seashell high waist two-piece bikini sewing pattern. I don't sell much of these anymore, so I'm surprised. I actually sold 3 during my pattern sale, but it is summertime. This one I made for my 30th birthday. I think I turned 30 that year. And then the high waist biker shorts sewing pattern. This was like maybe the second pattern I ever released. You can never go wrong with a biker short. It's like a staple piece. And then the summer dress. This one has a mini skirt length and a longer length. So 1, 2, oh, and what else did she order? Okay, that's it for that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are her 8. So let me put her box together so I can package these. I got these boxes from Amazon for a project that I didn't quite finish, but it's still on the to-do list. If you're a busy business owner with a million ideas, you know what I mean. Okay, so this goes in here like this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. These are typically very easy to put together. Okay, so here's the box. Okay,
and I'm gonna put her stuff like this. This could have maybe fit. I wonder if this would fit in here. Probably not. Yeah, let me just not be lazy. The one that ordered 6, I'm pretty sure can fit in there. Yeah, this actually is perfect for what she ordered. While that prints, let me look at the next order. Precious got the built-in bra corset. Precious lives in Ocala, Florida. She got the built-in bra corset. This is the full video course that has the corset pattern that teaches you how to build an actual store-bought bra and your client size into your corset. It's gonna hold the boobs up right every time. And then she got the 4-yard mermaid gown with godets, the corset crop top. If you know, you know, this is a classic. This is my most popular pattern, my bestseller, the go-to for the spandex, velvet, sequin velvet, like anything stretchy with mesh. This is your go-to mermaid gown pattern. Then the jumpsuit pattern set, the bikini, and circle templates. Circle templates I have been selling now for 6 years, and this is also a bestseller because this is what you use to, you put your fabric on a fold, and this is what you use to cut out the center hole for, like, if you're doing the big full circle skirt knee to floor, this is what you're going to use to cut out your center hole. And so this has sizes all the way from 24 to 45 inches. You got your instructions on the biggest back template. And then you can also use it for like skater dresses or anything that you need to cut a center circle hole out of. So this is also like a really good seller. And let me go ahead and tape hers. So yeah, let me go ahead and tape hers onto her box. I just bought this tape. So I use a lot of tape to ship my packages, and I have thought about getting a label printer, but I'm torn because that's just like another expense. I mean, I guess the tape is an expense, right? But I have a printer that has an HP Instant Ink subscription, and so typically I just feel like if I'm paying for the ink on subscription, then I should just, oh, I'm gonna cover the whole entire thing. I feel like if I'm paying for the ink on a subscription, then I might as well just print my labels there. But then I'm using paper and I'm also using tape, and I feel like I've been running through tape so quickly. So I'm not sure what to do. If any of you guys that like ship a lot of stuff, would recommend a label printer specifically, let me know in the comments. Leave your link, leave your Amazon link. I'll shop it. But yeah, I'm really trying to decide if I should make that switch. And I feel like it makes things quicker and easier too, because imagine just having a sticker and you just peel and stick versus all of that I just did. Hey fellow designers, it's Karen of Made by Karen M Sewing Patterns. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. If you made it to the end, please do me the biggest favor. Check your notification settings on my channel and make sure they're turned from personalized to all. And check out my patterns at etsy.com/shop/made by Karen M. See you next time.